My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. This is the home of the 5-minute or less video. I can tell you everything you need to know within 5 minutes. I've been doing this for 50 years. I worked at IRS for 10. I've been in private practice for 40 years now. I have a whole team of former IRS on staff, agents, tax attorney, CPA, the whole gamut. We have about 250 years of professional direct IRS experience. I have been on national news a lot. You can see me at 777irs.com. You can see all my interviews. I do these videos for 3 reasons. A, so you don't get ripped off. There's a lot of scammers out there that just do self-promotion. I like to do more educational videos and stuff like that. If you want to use me, you can for representation. If not, I probably got a pretty good practice here. I try to tell you the truth. I'm honest with you. And I like to give you education and inform you about things. And today is one of those things that 50% of my business comes from people who have not filed more than 6 years worth of returns or not. Some have not filed for 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, 30. Some people have never filed, and they have a big fear. They think they're going to jail as a result. So, you know, the chances of you going to jail are probably the chances of being hit by lightning. It's just not a reality. Now, if I should say this, if you're involved in money laundering and a crime, and it goes well beyond just civil activity of not filing, but you are involved in a criminal enterprise, that's different. But for almost everyone that's listening to me, you're not going to go to jail. Nothing is going to happen to you. And the process is very, very easy. Remember, you're not going to go to jail. There's not enough jails to put people in. About 25 million people do not file their income tax. They are going to get caught. You are going to get caught at some point in time. And the reason you want to beat IRS to knocking on your door is simple. If a revenue officer comes and knocks on your door, right now, the policy statement P-5-133 says if you file your returns, you only have to file the last 6. If an RO comes to your door and looks at your stuff, that person, that revenue officer, can ask for more after managerial approval. You don't want to do that. You want to get your tax returns filed, get this albatross off your neck. The process is so easy. People are almost like snake bitten, and I want to just tell you, you don't need to be. Nothing is going to happen. You're just going to file your last 6 years return, and then IRS is probably going to either put you in uncollectible, which means currently non-collectible, you can't pay now. They're going to put you in a payment agreement, or you may be able just to settle the whole debt for pennies on a dollar. All depends on your current financial statement. So, you know, it's easy to put your records together. IRS keeps the records of your 1099s and W-2s. We get to pull those on a back-end portal. If you're self-employed, we can reconstruct the returns. We know what industry standards are. We know how to look for records and what to do. So if you are one of these individuals who have not filed your returns, you're not going to prison, call somebody. I don't care if you go to H&R Block or the damn Liberty Lady. You really should call us, because you know, not only we get your returns filed, we wind up settling your case. Just go to somebody, get it off your back. It's a seamless process. By the time you engage someone, 30 days later, your returns are filed and you're on your way. It's simply giving IRS a financial statement then and closing your case. It is just not as bad as you think. I have been doing this for 50 years and I'm looking you in the eyes right now. Nothing is going to happen to you, but your life, in fact, is going to get better. It just is. I have no skin in this game. You don't know who I am. I don't know who you are. You're not going to jail. Just get the damn thing done. Get over it, and you'll be happy you did this. Because one day, if you don't, soon, when IRS hires more people, you're going to... And I used to be the person knocking on your door. I'm on your side now. Give me a subscription if you would. That helps me because YouTube loves me to have subscriptions and likes. It lets them know I'm doing a good job and getting quality information out. So if you can, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for the subscription.